Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Here's our August 2024 edition of Dashcam Clips of the Month, where we've curated all the best clips as submitted by you and sourced from across the internet. Many of these clips are also featured on our socials throughout the month. So if you want more content, check us out on Instagram and TikTok. If you have your own epic clips to share, we encourage you to submit them through the links below for a chance to receive a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. There are tons of reasons to shop at BlackboxMyCar today, especially with the launch of our Spend More, Get More program. Right now, you can enjoy free shipping on all orders over $150, but that's not all. Spend over $450, receive a free Aqua Shield. Spend over $750, get a complimentary BlackboxMyCar wireless mount. Spend over $1,050 and you'll receive a limited time BlackboxMyCar branded 128 gig micro SD card. Each new tier includes the rewards from the previous tier. So the more you spend, the greater the rewards. These gifts are available for a limited time only, so be sure to take advantage of them while you can. Now let's dive into the action. Thanks for watching our Dashcam Clip of the Month. We truly appreciate you joining us on this special journey. Remember, you still have the opportunity to submit your clips and earn a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. If you're a content creator, influencer, or business interested in collaborating with us, we want to hear from you. Please send us a direct message on Instagram to start the conversation. If you enjoyed this compilation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed videos every month. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe.